Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. Today I'm going to show you the location and give you some information on the Vapor Canister Purge Solenoid on a Dodge Charger. This will be the same, if not very similar, for the 2011 to 2023 year models with the 5.7 liter HEMI engine in it. First, let me show you your underhood label. The underhood label gives you important information about your vehicle, such as the actual engine size, the year model the vehicle is, the emissions family, and all of the emissions components on your vehicle. Now, the Vapor Purge Solenoid is responsible for allowing stored vapors in the evap system to flow into the intake through the combustion process and out the tailpipe, hopefully cleaned up. The Vapor Purge Solenoid is located on the passenger side firewall, right there. When the computer gives voltage or allows this solenoid to open up, gases will flow from the bottom of the solenoid through the solenoid into the intake in this direction. To replace this one, it looks fairly quick and doesn't take long. Don't need any tools, just some know-how. Now, if you need a Vapor Purge solenoid for this vehicle, you will find links in the description below to find genuine Mopar parts in the links. Just click on them. They should be there. If this video does help you out, make sure you comment below with the year, make, model of the vehicle it did help you on. And if you have any questions about codes you are chasing or just questions in general, make sure you comment below. Make sure you @ me so I make sure I get it, or you can even text me. Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. I'll see you on the next hopefully helpful video.